We're gonna go ahead and I assembled everything first. It's hard enough assembling on the truck, and here it was just as hard assembling it off the truck. So just imagine. All right, guys, welcome back to the garage, man, and welcome back to another video. Hey, so today we're actually putting this front clip together. I've already started assembling it off the truck because last time I actually put it on the truck and assembled it on the truck and stuff, and it was very hard to put that front grille on. I'll turn you guys around here in a minute just to show you. As you guys see, I'm up here trying to grow me a beard and a mustache. Since I got out of the service, I always wanted a beard and stuff, and hell, I think I waited too late, man. I can barely grow hair, but now since I'm letting it grow out, I've never seen so much gray hair in my life. It must be telling me something. So anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and jump onto it and stuff. I'm gonna show you what we're actually working on today. So as of right now, I got the front two fenders on. I got the front clip, the front grill, which is a board nose grill. And man, I tell you what, it really does look good. It looks really clean. Paint job, and I'm just afraid I'm gonna nick it up and stuff. And like you guys, you know, I got just a little 2-bay garage here. I'm deciding whether to put the inner fenders on now because it's just gonna be heavy and stuff, and I'm gonna have to figure out a way to put it on the truck myself. I believe I'm gonna I might can borrow somebody to help me just pick the clip up, but that's why I'm trying not to make it too heavy. So this is where we're at. We're gonna go ahead and probably put the inner fenders on with the braces, and then I'll probably go ahead and put the lights in. So you guys hang out with me today, and we'll see what we get done. All right, we are getting there. Now I tell you what, it was, you guys just do not understand. I showed you this side here on camera. Then I went on ahead and did this side off camera. But I tell you what, these things are so bulky and big, they just gave me a hard time. I've been working on them for about an hour now. In case you guys do not know, that there's a bracket here, okay, that goes underneath there, okay, and it's to support the fender. That was the hardest part. You have to get all this stuff here to line up. Okay, everything lining up, and I did scratch it a few places when I was doing it, so of course I'm going to do some touch-ups, and that's the only thing I hate about this. You know, you got to be so gentle whenever you put everything together. So now I need to go ahead and put my radiator in, and I'm also going to go ahead and put my front headlights in. And there's a bucket and a ring that goes around the headlights. I'll show you guys that. Other than that, that'll be it as far as doing connecting up everything on the front. And then after that, probably Friday, we'll go ahead, I'll get some help and we'll go ahead and attach it to the body. So let's go ahead and see if I can go ahead and get the rest of this stuff knocked out. Alright crew, so we are done for today. That's all I could get done today. I wanted to go ahead and get that radiator in place, but I'm not gonna be able to get it fitted today. I'm gonna have to make new brackets for it, but everything else turned out good. I'm happy with the inner fenders and outer fenders, the brackets. I was also gonna put my headlights in. As you see, they're not in, and the reason why is I got everything except the main parts. I need my bolts to go in the back of my buckets here so I can adjust them, and I did not order those. So we're going to go ahead and go inside and place an order real quick, and hopefully it'll be in a day or so, and then we'll be able to put the buckets on. I got two of everything, you know, for the rings, the gaskets. I got these here called the beauty, those are the beauty rings. These rings here go over the headlights. So we got our work cut out for us. So anyway, that was just a short video, guys. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. I was hoping that I got more done, but it is like that, you know, it goes like that some days. So anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of work. And also, hey, don't forget to subscribe if you guys really enjoy this video. So like I always tell you guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, a truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.